Hey guys, welcome back to Hester's Handmade Home. I'm Hester and you are?
Kiki!
And I posted a picture of these cuddles yesterday on my Instagram and they've proven so popular. They're not mine, my sister made them. She traced her little boys and put on milk so they could give us a cuddle. Because we haven't had a cuddle in forever, have we, from them? Such a lovely idea and had so many reactions on that post. I thought I was going to show you with Kiki how to do it and show you how you can send a cuddle to somebody. It's not an original idea. I've seen it on Pinterest a couple of weeks ago and my sister saw it on the... That is Nene, yeah. My sister saw it on the Instagram of Hema, a Dutch company. But yeah, it's such a lovely idea because there's so many people that can't get cuddles now this Christmas time because we're all stuck in our own houses. So what's better than to send a little cuddle in the mail? Can we get going? You're gonna need your child or wherever you want to send a cuddle off. Paper, use wrapping paper because it's nice and light, it's good in the mail. Some kind of coloring pencils or felt tips and some tape. So get your wrapping paper and it's going to stick it to the floor to make it a bit easier. We're going to put Kiki on the paper like so. Not you, Kenneth. Okay, stretch your arms out. There we go. And then we're gonna trace Kiki. Ooh, sit really still, Kiki. Super still. Good job. Super still. Uh-oh. We're doing a good job in tracing you, Keeks. You got big hands all of a sudden. There we go. Wanna jump off?
That's me.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Look at you. And a camera on top. So we're gonna trace you a bit more and then you can do some coloring, okay? I'm just gonna make this outline a bit clearer and I think Cam's a bit jealous. Do you want to be colored too, Camet? Traced. Little ears.
Yeah.
And eyes.
Yeah.
Now I think Kiki can do some coloring, huh? Kiki's only 2, so I'm just helping her with colouring because she does get bored of it pretty quickly, don't you, Kiki?
Yeah.
And you like, yeah. And you just want pink, right? Pink flowers. To your lips. And I think we should draw Nene too. Because you always hold Nene, don't you? It's your favourite toy.
Yes, it's blue.
It's blue. Shall I draw Nene too in your hands? I think we've done enough colouring, don't you think, Kiki?
Yeah.
Should we cut out and put it in an envelope?
Yeah.
What do you think, Kermit? I still think it needs to be done too. Shall I write down your name? K. E. K. En dan E. Nou, should we send it to Oma? Okay, let's go post our cuddle, Kiki. Isn't it such a cute thing? You can send somebody a cuddle in the mail, especially someone you haven't seen in ages. Maybe someone is spending the holidays or New Year's on their own. It's such a nice thing to do. Hey, Keeks? If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and heart button and share it with other people so more people can see this tutorial and more cuddles can be sent out. Can you say bye, Kiki?
Yeah.
Bye!